Imagine waking up to a breathtaking mountain sunrise. With your home right beside you, no hotel reservations, no crowded destinations, just endless roads, unforgettable landscapes, and the freedom to go wherever your heart desires. Welcome to the world of AL-AJWAR. Designed with German engineering and built for adventure, the Hymer Camper Van combines exceptional performance with timeless elegance. Whether you're driving through snowy forests, coastal highways, or scenic mountain roads, every journey becomes part of the experience. Because the destination is only half the adventure. To travel farther, stay longer, discover hidden places that most people never see, work remotely beside a peaceful lake, enjoy coffee with panoramic mountain views, or simply park beneath the stars and experience true freedom. With AL-AJWAR, every road leads to a new story waiting to be written.